Hello, welcome to the Two Brick Girls. Today we're building the Medieval Blacksmith set from the LEGO Ideas series. This set contains 2,164 pieces and comes with 4 minifigs and 2 animals. This set has 3 levels. On the ground floor, we find the blacksmith's workshop. On the second floor, there's a kitchen with a dining area, and under the roof is a bedroom with a fireplace and a writing desk. Enjoy the build! This is such a cool medieval set. We love it. It feels like we're being transported back to the Middle Ages. LEGO was really able to capture the unique look of half-timbered houses in Europe. Again, thank you for staying with us till the end. If you like our videos, leave a like and subscribe, and please consider sharing this video. See you next time on the Two Brick Girls. Fare thee well!